Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Drive and creating or selecting the document you want to share. Once the doc is open, make a quick edit so Drive confirms it is saved. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. If you manage multiple accounts, pick the one you intend to share from. This gets you into the document immediately and prevents link mistakes later. Now you're ready to set sharing options that produce the actual link. Next, click the blue Share button in the document's top right corner and focus on the Get Link section. Once there, change the restricted setting to anyone with the link when you need broad access. Otherwise, keep it restricted to specific people. Then pick the role: viewer to prevent edits, commenter to allow notes, or editor to permit full changes. After selecting the role, click Copy Link. This copied URL is the only consistent way to share direct access. Finally, paste the copied link into your email, chat, or wherever you need to share it. If someone reports they can't open it, first make sure you set the link to anyone with the link or added their specific email address. Also confirm they're using a Google account if required. If problems persist, revoke and reissue the link or add recipients directly via the share dialog. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the recipient's browser cache or ask them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.